Good evening and welcome to the vlog. So today is the warmest day we've seen in London all year, and I'm off to meet my friends to catch the sunset. Also, interesting fact, I think this is the very first vlog that I'm not wearing a coat because that's how warm it is. So gotta savor those moments, make the most of them, and that's what's about to happen. Gonna enjoy the summer feels, and hopefully we've got the sunset to match. Let's go check it out. So there's a really amazing rooftop terrace at the top of the shopping centre with a great view into St. Paul's, but by the time I'm through that really long line, sunset's long past, and what's the point? So instead, gotta improvise, make a backup plan and find a new spot. So the second rooftop bar I had in mind also had a massive queue. Guess I shouldn't be so naive and not going there either. Now really running out of time. Sun's basically already set and just trying to get the last bit of glow in the sky and looking for a new composition and a new spot that will work out. So probably somewhere more public. Just on South Bank now by the Millennium Bridge, and look who I ran into.
Hey guys, you're right.
So how does it feel like to be bounced from various bars in the city?
Oh, it feels great.
Yeah? Weather's good?
Weather's amazing, look at that.
Weather's good, mood's up, still bounced.
So good, still bounce, yeah.
Feeling like a 16-year-old again.
Yeah, I wish.
Cool, let's get some photos anyway. So finally found a composition that works and just managed to catch the very, very last of that sunset glow. Let me talk you through the shot. So this is the composition I've gone for. The Millennium Bridge offers some great kneeling lines towards St. Paul's. And then using an indie filter, just 3 stops in this case because it's already quite dark. Won't be any cloud movement because there simply aren't any clouds, but hoping to get the water really smooth through a 15-second exposure, which turned out really great. Check it out, here's my final result. So it was great to see Antoine briefly. You'll remember him from my photographing King's Cross vlog. We've got some future projects planned as well, so watch the space, hit the subscribe button below. Now, I'm still on Millennium Bridge now, trying to get a few more photos. Antoine had to go home, but it was good seeing him anyway. So this next photo is a real Instagram classic, and let me talk you through it and show you how you can get it just right. So you can barely make it out, but we're on Millennium Bridge, and up here is St. Paul's Cathedral. There's always a lot of people walking on this bridge, and if you were to take this photograph during the day, they'd really be all over the composition and it wouldn't make for a very good clean shot. So instead, what you do is, you photograph it at night. By taking a long exposure of this shot instead, you can ghost away all the people and you get the bridge looking completely empty, which is great. So using a manual focus for the shot, focusing on the church cathedral, and then I went for a 15-second exposure I think, and that made people ghost away. Here's the final result. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. So despite not being able to go to any of those rooftops as I had planned, I think the spontaneity and also the improvisation ended up in some really great photos, and it was of course awesome to run into Antoine too. Another good thing about that is now I can use those rooftops as content for future videos. So I hope you stay tuned, I hope you subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Good night.